Hi guys, isa ka rin ba may problema sa ganitong problema sa motor mo? So tayo lang mga may motor ang nakarelate nitong ganitong problema. Ito ay mga punit. Ito ay paborito ng mga upuan ng pusa. Ayan, si Mingming. Si Mingming ang nagkalmot nito guys, kaya napubutas o napupunit yung mga seat cover dito sa ating mga motor. So, ngayon, solusyonan natin ito gamit nito. Ayan, pakita ko po sa inyo, artificial leather repair. So nakita ko lang ito sa TikTok, ilagay ko lang sa description box, sa yellow basket, ito sa comment section sa ating video, para masundan nyo rin kung saan tayo makabili nito. Ayan, ito yung ididikit natin dito guys, para matakpan yung punit ng kinalmot ng pusa.
I've been dreaming on in my head like I've seen it. A life worth living is a life with meaning. I'll do what I love till my heart stops beating. I'm feeding this demon. Got a taste, can't erase bitterness in my face. Work a job every day till your dreams fade away. Like a card, never change, play the game that we say. I need a break. I'm staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. I'm staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. Face on when I chase like that. Yeah, I play so strong with a knife in the back. I'ma swing home run like a baseball bat. Gonna see me rise, you can hate on that. I don't play both sides, doing me no cap. I'ma ride or die for my dreams on tap. I'ma fly real high, you ain't see me slack. No, it's not how you fall, it's how you get right back up. That's how you get tough. Calluses on my hands so rough, yeah, I call you.
1 hour later.
At ito na guys yung resulta ng ating ginagawa sa pagdikit nitong leather repair. So sobrang tipid nito guys, dahil mura lang dito nabibili ko dito sa TikTok, kaysa magpalit tayo ng seat cover. Ang mahal-mahal, wala pa tayong budget, kaya ito lang muna yung gagamitin natin, at least natakpan yun. So okay guys, salamat sa panood.